Here's an old BDP air conditioner. Nothing's going to be running in this complex today because it's only like 65 degrees out. But I figured I'm just going to get a couple short videos of some units here. Should have stated that in the first video. But here this thing is. It is a two-ton from 1982. 569 looks like CJ. Old unit. Good to see it's still here. It has no logo, but I assume it's probably a day and night. Very nice unit. Probably has a Tecumseh recip or Copeland. So, anyways, thank you for watching.